The beautiful thing about learning is that nobody can take it away from you. Good morning, dear students. Hope all are fine. Let's start our today's topic, that is real numbers, exercise 1.1, fifth question. I'll just read the fifth question for you all. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is any positive integer. That is n plus 2, n plus 4, one and only one out of this 3, one and only one is divisible by 3. One and only one out of this 3 is divisible by 3. Let's begin. By Euclid's division lemma, A is equals to BQ plus R, where n is any positive integer, that is n is equals to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Here we are going to take B as 3. B is equals to 3. So n is equals to 3Q plus R, 0 less than or equals to R less than 3. That means R takes value 0, 1 and 2. It is less than 3. So R takes value 0, 1 and 2. Now substitute R is equals to 0. First we are going to substitute R is equals to 0. That is n is equals to 3Q plus 0. Now check whether 3Q is divisible by 3 or not. You substitute Q value as 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Now substitute Q as 2. 3 twos are 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, n is divisible by 3. See, out of n plus 2 and n plus 4, 1 is divisible. That is, n is divisible. We have got it. Now we show that n plus 2 and n plus 4 is divisible or not. We'll prove that. See, n is equals to 3q. Start substituting. N is equals to 3q. Add plus 2. N plus 2 we want. So, adding plus 2 on both the side. N plus 2 we want. So, what we are doing? We are adding plus 2 on both the side. That is, n plus 2 is equals to 3q plus 2. Now, check whether this is divisible or not. Put q value as 1. 3 ones are 3. Put q value as 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, again you check, put q as 2. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2 is 6. 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. That means n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. We have to show n plus 2 or n plus 4. Out of these 3, only 1 is divisible. Here it has asked us to show only 1 is divisible. Now we'll add plus 4 to this on both them. Now we add n plus 4 to this term. That is, n plus 4 is equals to 3q plus 4. Now check whether it is divisible by 3. 3 into 1. Put q value as 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 is not divisible. That means n plus 4 is not divisible by 3. That means out of this 3, that is n plus 2 and n plus 4, 1 is only divisible, rest 2 are not divisible. Show that 1 and only 1 out of this 3 is divisible by 3. Out of this 3 is divisible by 3. We have shown it, but when r is equals to 0, now we are going to substitute r is equals to 1 and check whether this 3 are, which one is divisible. Put r is equals to 1. That is n is equals to 3q plus r. This is a given. N is equals to 3q plus 1. Now check 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. That means n is not divisible by 3. n plus 4, n plus 2. Add plus 2 to this term. Add plus 2 to this term. That is n plus 2 is equals to 3q plus 1 plus 2. That is 3q plus 3. Now check whether it is divisible or not. Put q value as 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Yes, it is divisible by 3. That is n plus 2 is divisible by 3. Next we have to check whether n plus 4 is divisible or not. N plus 4 is divisible or not. To check, that is n plus 4 is divisible or not. N is equals to 3q plus 1. Adding plus 4 to both the side, we will be getting n plus 4. So n plus 4 is equals to 3q plus 1 plus 4. That becomes 3q plus 5. Now check whether it is divisible. q की place में 1 डाल दीजिए. 3 ones are 3, 5, 8. That means 8 is not divisible. n plus 4 is not divisible by 3. When the remainder is 1, when we have substitute remainder as 1, we got that n plus 2 is divisible. Out of this 3, that is n, out of this 3, n plus 2 and n plus 4, 1 is divisible, that is n plus 2. Out of this 3, 1 is divisible. It asks us to show that 1 and only 1 out of n plus 2 and n plus 4 is divisible by 3 when we have substitute remainder as 1. Now substitute r is equals to 2 and check which one is divisible or not. Which one is divisible and which one is not divisible. Now substitute r value as 2. n is equals to 3q plus 2 and check whether it is divisible. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. That means n is not divisible by 3. This is not divisible. Now we have to check whether n plus 2 is divisible. Add plus 2. n plus 2 is equals to 3q plus 2. 3q, see n value is 3q plus 2. Plus 2 we have to add again, plus 2. That is 3q plus 4. Now check. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 4, 7. That means n plus 2 is not divisible. n plus 2 is not divisible by 3. Now put n plus 4 to this n is equals to 3q plus 2 and check whether it is divisible or not. That is n plus 4 is equals to 3q plus 2. 3q plus 2 plus 4. That is 3q plus 6. Substitute q value as 1. 3 ones are 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. That means out of this 3, that is n plus 2 and n plus 4, only 1 is divisible, that is 3q plus 6. These two are not divisible, that is 1 and only 1 out of n plus 2 and n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Here the problem ends. Thank you. Do this problem because I know it is, maybe you people are feeling a little bit complicated, but if you repeat the video again and again and practice, you can get it, because what I said is I feel that my explanation is bit clear. If still you have doubt, you can contact me at my personal number and ask me. Few girls and boys are even doing that. Thank you. Here the exercise and exercise 1.1 is completed. Copy down all the problems from the PDF. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.